Hi guys, so this is Sheila Baronet. This is Cardio Fitness in Beverwijk. I'm an IFBB pro and I'm taking today for my workout. We're going to train glutes. I really like to start with the hip abductor. This is a standing one. You also have the seated one. This is my favorite actually because it really targets the side of my glutes. The position is very important, so your back has to be kind of locked, and that's how you're going to target really the muscle on the side. You kind of sit it, and what I like to do, I like to pause, so I have max contraction on my side. I like to do the movements very slowly for a better muscle connection. And when I feel I can't do it anymore, then I do extra more. So what I mean with extra more, it means higher repetitions. So if I'm doing the movement slowly, yes, so let's say I do 10 times, and I know I'm feeling tired, then I push myself harder, and I do it faster. That's what I mean by extra more. That takes my muscle to the exhaustion, and I know I'm really working out that muscle group. And when I finish this one, I really like to do the kickbacks. I'll take you out to this one. Put yourself in a position. Your back has to be always locked here, as you can see. And the only movement is by your glutes. And when you hit, you kind of flex it and then sit. So the first 10 reps, I do it very slowly, so I can feel the max contraction to make myself exhausted. The last 10, I do it very fast. The reason why is because I like to feel the max pump and have the feeling that I'm really working on the muscle. Then we do the other side of the glute. So like I said, the first 10 reps, I do it slowly, for a better muscle-mind connection. It works for me. So the slower I do, the better contraction and muscle-mind connection I have to make myself exhausted in the sense of, okay, I'm really pushing myself on this workout. Then the last, I do it fast. And that will give you a very good glute pump. Oh my God. I really like this machine. So next we're gonna do some good mornings. We're gonna use the hack squat. It's my favorite actually to do the good mornings in a good position. So you always need to make sure that your feet are in the same position as your shoulders. Shoulder width. Your back is always straight and locked. You're gonna bend over with your leg slightly bended and push forward. And this exercise I usually do 15 reps, 4 sets. In this one I never put too much weight. I like to do less weight and higher reps, and I just feel better the muscle group. Where you have to really target is the lower side of your glute and just the beginning of your hamstrings. So if you start feeling a little bit beneath, that means you're not doing the exercise very right. So we're gonna do another set on Good mornings. What I like to mention is that on this exercise, I prefer low loaded, so not too heavy weight. I like to feel the contraction, so I do slower movements, therefore less weight. You have a way better contraction if you don't overload with a lot of weight. So the less weight you have, the better muscle connection you have. So I try to do 15 repetitions on this one, 4 sets. So I'm pretty much warmed up. The next exercise, I like to do a compound movement. We're gonna do a sumo exercise in this new machine that they just installed it. And we're gonna start again with 10 repetitions, always very slow movement. Make sure your back is always straight. You make a pause when you go down and you contract your glute. So on this one, I like to go heavy. I like to load a little bit. The reason why I feel better contraction on this one, because it's like sumo squat. I'm quite powerful on my lower legs actually, and I like to put more weight. I feel a better muscle mind connection when I have a loader weight rather than less weight like we did on the hamstrings. Oh my God, I love it. I love this heavy exercise. So the reason why I feel like a little girl working out and that I feel exhausted, it's because I haven't really done a proper workout for the past month and a half or so. And now we're filming this content for you, which I have to do the exercise, and I am tired. I did load, so I did put some quite heavy weights on this one to try actually the machine, because it's a very good machine here in the Cardio Fitness Beverwijk. But yeah, so that's the reason why I feel so fatigued. The next exercise I'm going to show you is to target the glute maximums. That's one of my weak points in my glutes. During my whole workout, I try to target the whole glute muscle, but I try to put focus, which is in the last workout, because I'm more tired. It just makes me feel like, okay, I did push myself, I did my best. And I know I have to improve this area, so I'm going to leave it for the last, just so I put more focus. That's just a mindset. I'm going to show you the exercise now. Okay, so the reason why I choose the curved bar for this exercise is because it gets into between your knees here. Your hip really needs to be touching the bench. You put yourself in a position like that. You kind of hold yourself wherever you feel more comfortable. I like to hold it always on the bench. And then you perform the exercise and you hold it up a few seconds. You come down. You hold it tense for a few seconds. Come down. So this exercise I like to perform at least 15 reps. What I like to do on this one is a drop set. So I try to start the max weight and then go lower, still increasing the reps. Try to vary as much as you can. So now I did 15 reps, the same weight. If I would like to push myself a little bit harder, I like to increase the weight, let's say 20 kilos. I do 10 reps, then I drop the weight and I do 15 reps, and so on and so on. So now I perform the exercise with the bench flat. You can also try to put it one up. So if you do it a little bit like this, you will see that I will be targeting the muscle differently because I will have more space and my tension will be higher. Okay guys, it's a wrap. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. Stay safe. Take care. Bye-bye.